gotta throw my top water. I gotta throw my top water. Just a little Spook Junior action going here.
You can't throw in here without catching a fish. This might be a good one.
Oh yeah, top water action. Live action.
Joey, you catch one?
Yeah. God, mighty. Wish I had single hooks on this top water though.
I know, because it's so hard to get out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he hit that right. Oh, look at him fly. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Look at him. What they call the bull, yo. Hey, quit it.
Braver than I am. Behind you, Joe.
Oh, dude, they're behind me. They're in front of me. They're under me. They're. And this minnow sitting over here on this bobber, they ain't touched it.
Huh.
But that top water, look at that, right as it hit the water.